Hello and welcome to Ditching Hourly. I'm Jonathan Stark. Fellow list member from my mailing list, Alexander Fridman, emailed to request a positioning statement teardown. I think the ensuing conversation might be useful. Alexander wrote, "How does it sound for a positioning statement? I lower software R&D costs for startups by providing correct, efficient, scalable, and affordable software architecture design." And my first reply I wrote, "That's a good start. In my humble opinion, you could simplify it down to this. I help startups lower their R&D costs." And note, by leaving out the bits about how you do this, or how Alex does this, it forces the reader to ask, "But how?" which starts a conversation. It creates curiosity in their mind. I suspect you'd benefit from getting even more specific and bold, like saying, "I help growth stage startups cut their R&D costs in half." Thanks for your note, Alex. Alex replied again and said, "Jonathan, you're awesome as always. Hooray!" By the way, you're spot on with growth stage, as early stage/seed startups don't give a rat's arse regarding correct software design. They want to ship before the money runs out. Exactly. So, nailing your positioning supercharges your marketing efforts. If you've been engaging in marketing activities like blogging, emailing, podcasting, social media, outreach, and so on, but you haven't gotten any meaningful results, I'd be willing to bet that your positioning is too soggy. That's it for this week. I'm Jonathan Stark, and I hope you join me again next time on Ditching Hourly.